Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 8 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 3 Coal and Petroleum, Video Part 1. Question number 1. The zone of flame, which consists of hot, unburned vapor of the combustible material, is. So here I have shown the zone of the flame, burning flame. So you can just check here what answer will be this. So this is the hot and unburnt vapor will be present in the dark zone. Okay. So answer is the wick. Wick is the cotton part or the cotton, you can say. Yellow zone you can see here, and blue zone is also visible here. Dark zone has the unburnt vapor. That's the option will be C. So first answer is option C. Question number 2. Product formed after complete combustion of methane. When methane perform the complete combustion means the reaction with the oxygen with some fire. Okay? So you, as a result, you can see this is CO2, carbon dioxide, and water also. But in the option, there is the carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide is the product of incomplete combustion, and carbon and charcoal cannot be formed after the combustion of the methane. Answer will be A. Second answer is option A. Question number 3. Highly inflammable substances. So highly inflammable substances have high ignition temperature, have low ignition temperature, cannot catch fire easily, both B and C, none of these. So what is ignition temperature? First you have to understand what is ignition temperature. So ignition temperature is the lowest temperature at which the substance starts burning. है ना, कोई भी चीज उस जगह जलना शुरू हो जाएगा. तो inflammable means which can catch fire very easily. So how anything can catch fire very easily? When its ignition temperature is very low, it just come in contact with the fire and just catch the fire. So that's why option will be have low ignition temperature. The third answer is option B. Question number 4. Which one among the following is not an inexhaustible natural resources? Inexhaustible natural resources means which will never end. Which will never end. So sunlight is the inexhaustible, water is the inexhaustible, air is the inexhaustible. But not an inexhaustible is the petrol. The fourth answer will be option D. Question number 5. Product obtained by burning coal in presence of air is. In presence of air means in presence of oxygen. So what we will get? Here I have shown that the coal presence of oxygen, matlab oxygen will come from the air only, combustion occurs, then carbon dioxide, heat and light will produce. Then the option D, carbon dioxide will be the product after burning the coal. The fifth answer is option D. Question number 6. A useful product of destructive distillation of coal which is used in making drugs and photographic material is. So destructive distillation of coal produces your coal gas, okay, water and the coal tar. So why we just do the destructive distillation of coal? So we do destructive distillation of coal to get coal tar. to get coal tar. This is the useful product. So sixth answer will be option B. Question number 7. Petroleum separates into different fractions on the basis of their boiling points. Actually, here the fractional distillation of the petroleum is shown. Here we can see actually the boiling point of all the materials are different. That's why the different types of the petroleum product can be obtained from the petroleum. Okay, on the basis of their boiling points only. So that's why option will be B. Seventh answer is option B. Question number 8. Which one among the following is used as a fuel for jet airplanes? So with the same picture, you can see the jet air fuel is shown with the kerosene. So that's why answer will be option C. Eighth answer is option C. Question number 9. The color of flame which produced by the fuel in sufficient supply of oxygen is. So sufficient supply of oxygen, the color will be blue. You can see the color of your gas chulha flame. So it is mostly blue. Why? Because there is the complete combustion. Okay. So ninth answer will be option D. Question number 10. Unit of calorific value of a fuel is. So calorific value means heat produced on burning of 1 kg of fuel. Means if you burn 1 kg of fuel, then how much heat is produced? And heat produced can be measured in joule. Okay, heat produced can be measured in joule. So that's why it should be kilogram per joule. है ना? तो sorry, kilojoule per kilogram. Kilojoule per kilogram means how much heat will be produced. So how much kilojoule will be produced per kilogram. So 10th answer will be option C. 10.C. Question number 11. Blackening of base of utensils while cooking food is due to. When you just cook food on any utensil, so after some time, I think you can see the lower part, the base part of the utensil becomes black. So why it happens? Why it happens? Black color discharged from the utensil? No, utensil cannot discharge black color. Black color of the utensil? All the utensils are not of black color. Improper cooking? No. Sticking of soot particles from incomplete combustion? Yes, this will be the correct answer. The 11th answer is option D. Question number 12. Cleanest fuel among the following is. So cleanest fuel will be your kerosene, petrol, cordon, hydrogen gas. So hydrogen gas it will be. Okay. So 12 answer is D. 12.D. Okay. Question number 13. Gases present in coal gas are. Gases present in coal gas are hydrogen, methane, carbon monoxide, and all of the above. So in the coal gas, you can see which gas is present here. So gases present is the hydrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. It means all of the above. So 13th answer will be option D. Okay. Question number 14. Which petroleum product is used for road surfacing? So for the road surfacing, the petroleum product should be bitumen. Okay. The 14th answer is option C. Okay. Question number 15. Which one of the following contains maximum percentage of carbon? Actually, bituminous and anthracite, lignite, these are the category of the coal, and anthracite is the best coal considered as it has the maximum percentage of the carbon. So that's why 15th answer will be option B. Question number 16. Ammonical liquor is used for making. Ammonical liquor is used for making nitrogenous fertilizer. Okay, it looks like this. So 16th answer will be your option B. Question number 17. Dash is used as a solvent for dry cleaning of clothes. So for the dry cleaning of clothes, petrol is used mainly. Okay, so 17th answer will be option B. Question number 18. Middle zone of candle flame is luminous. Why? This is the middle zone. It is luminous. Why? Due to the completely burnt carbon particles, unburnt carbon particles, partially burnt carbon particles, or incandescent bulb. What is the reason? The reason is the partially burnt carbon particles. Okay. 18th answer will be option C. Question number 19. Which one among the following has the highest calorific value? Wood, cow dung, cake, and kerosene and LPG. So LPG has the highest calorific value. Okay. So 19th answer will be option D. Okay. Question number 20. Combustion that occurs suddenly with the evolution of large amount of gases. Rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, explosion, or gas combustion. It is explosion. So 28th answer will be option C. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.